compatibility versus compromise. What is compatibility? It's the ability to find harmony between two things. Those two things could be similar or they could be different. There are plenty of differences between people that are actually complementary. Why it's so important to have relationships from a space of genuine compatibility is because it's about being in reality about the other person, who they are, what they need, what their values are, and how important those things actually are for them in comparison to yours. And you put those things on the table and you evaluate the reality of yourself and another person. The only time we should ever be using the word compromise is if we're talking about finding a third option that creates relief for both people. We don't want to be cutting off parts of ourselves or cutting off parts of another person to try to create belonging where there isn't actual belonging. If we love something, we wouldn't want a person to compromise or sacrifice or hurt themselves in some way. And it's not a genuine sacrifice if you can see how by doing that thing it actually serves you. So, compromise, if we're talking about it in the sense of like I take some pain and you take some pain, leads us down a road of so much resentment. Because if we're doing that, we're probably doing it unconsciously, which means we expect other people to do the same thing. Not everyone's doing that. So which side do you want to have relationships from?